Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cleaning the hairline so products hold. A quick, gentle cleanse removes oils. Once dry, apply a quarter pea-sized amount of edge control to the area, not the whole head. Then, with a soft bristle brush or a toothbrush, brush in controlled 5-10 second strokes following natural growth patterns. Work from the temple toward the center. This prevents gaps. Keep pressure light at first and increase slightly to mold without breaking hairs. Once you have the base, section tiny groups of baby hairs and sculpt each into the shape you want. Swoops, S-curves, or subtle accents all work. Brush each shape into place, then immediately cover with a silk or satin scarf for 5 to 10 minutes to set the pattern and reduce friction. After unwrapping, use a fine-tooth comb to refine edges and gently lift any stuck hairs while removing excess product. This preserves hold and keeps the line crisp. You finish by maintaining the laid edges. Refresh with a tiny dab of water or a lightweight oil to reactivate the product without adding buildup. Make sure to sleep on silk or satin and rewrap with a scarf overnight to keep the shape. If you see flakes or a stiff, crunchy feel, stop adding product, clarify the area with a mild rinse, then switch to a lighter hold formula. If hairs resist, trim very small split ends and repeat the gentle laying steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.